What's going on, my friend? Garrett Barry here, coming at you with another powerful training video. In today's video, I'm going to break down how you can start promoting Jvzoo affiliate products just using Facebook. Now, this isn't a Facebook paid advertising video. This is going to be just using free traffic. I know a lot of people online, they invest in different programs and different opportunities, and they don't have a lot of extra money for paid advertising. So this is a totally free method you can use. Now, I'm on Jvzoo right now in my back office. Now, this is where you can actually find products. Now, maybe you are watching this, you already have a product on Jvzoo you want to promote, and you're just looking for some quick methods to actually get traffic, leads, and sales. If you don't already have a product on Jvzoo, it's very easy. You can just go to affiliates, find products, and then you can look at these different products. Now, there's different stats. I'm not going to go into all the different details on how to choose a winning product on Jvzoo. If there's enough requests in the comment section, I may do a video in the future. But once you get your link, okay, and you request, this is the affiliate link, okay, to this random product, just for example. Okay, so you can see right here that this is a sales page, okay, for a video maker. Now, what you want to do is you want to, first off, the very first step before we even go to Facebook is you want to actually get a domain, okay, a website, and you want to redirect it to this link. Because if you try to send people or post this link on Facebook, chances are you're not going to be able to. Facebook has kind of banned most of Jvzoo links. Okay, so you want to actually go to a site. You can use GoDaddy or Namecheap, and you want to actually find and purchase a domain. Okay, you may already have a domain, which you can skip this step. But if you don't have a domain, it's only like $9.99 USD per year, okay, to have a domain. Now, what type of domain? If you're going to promote a lot of different products, I recommend you make it somewhat vague, okay, but in that niche. So let's say you're promoting products to make money online. You could put a domain in there like "Make Easy Money Today," right? Or if your name is John and you're gonna promote different products, you could make money with John. Okay, so you would just type that in, search it, and then you can go ahead and purchase. Okay, so for example, make money with Thomas.com. Okay, let's just see if that's available. And I'm actually in Brazil right now, so this is in Hey. Okay, but basically it looks like it's available. Okay, so I could actually purchase this if my name was Thomas, or this is .with. You want to do .com. Okay, so I don't think it's available right now, so you could just try a few different variations. Once you have a domain, you want to redirect your domain to this link. Okay, now if you don't know how to do that, it's very, very easy. I would recommend looking on YouTube how to redirect a domain, and you can easily see how to do that. Now, once we have our product, we want to look at what this product actually is, because when we go to Facebook and promote this, we want to understand what we're actually promoting. So again, for this example, this is a video creation software. Okay, so it helps marketers and business owners. So that's our target. We want to find marketers and business owners that are struggling to create videos and they want to make videos easily. Okay, so if I go to Facebook, this is my Facebook profile. And again, this is going to be how to promote Jvzoo on your Facebook profile, not a fan page, not through paid ads. The reason is, especially if you're doing free marketing, the reach and engagement that you're going to get from a profile is shockingly way more than a fan page. And very quickly, the reason is because Facebook wants you to purchase ads on your fan page, so they're going to limit your reach. Okay, so it's actually better to promote on your profile if you're doing free marketing. First step with Facebook marketing, you want to have a cover photo and a good profile picture. Okay, a lot of people, when I look at their profile on Facebook, they have a vague cover, very bad quality. They have a profile picture that is not good, or it's not of themselves. Remember, people buy from people. Okay, people buy from people they know, like, and trust. So you want to have a picture of yourself. Now, you want to set up your bio here. Okay, do a little bit about yourself. Again, I have other videos where I go way more on how to set up your Facebook profile, but I want to share with you how you can actually start making sales, okay, as fast as possible. Now, once your profile is set up on Facebook, make yourself look like an authority in that niche. Now, once we do that, the next step is we need to start adding people. Okay, we need to start building our friends list on Facebook, because when we post, which is one of the steps in this powerful formula, we're going to have a lot more people see our posts, a lot more people request information to whatever we're promoting, and a lot more people check out our sales page to make these affiliate commissions. Okay, so how do we actually get friends? Well, you don't want to just add a ton of random people. A lot of people go wrong with that. There's a few key places you want to add friends from. Okay, first is Facebook groups. So you want to go to the top bar and search a topic or a few words of what niche your Jvzoo product is in. So for example, if it's make money online, you can go to the search bar, type in make money online. Okay, very, very simple. Now, once we search that, we want to filter by groups. Okay, we want to look at these groups with large members. Okay, so this has 23,000 members. It's a make money online group. We want to open this up. Now, why are we going into these groups? Well, because members of these groups are interested in the topic that our product could potentially help them with. Okay, so everyone that wants to make money online right here may be struggling creating videos. So they may want to have a video creation software. So what we want to do is we want to go to members. Okay, now we want to go down here and it says members with things in common. Okay, all these people, right? 389 mutual friends, 418 mutual friends. Now you want to start with the members in common, because you can add a lot more people if you have mutual friends. Okay, this is a big key. A lot of people just add random people on Facebook that aren't targeted and they don't have any mutual friends, and Facebook blocks it, right? They go, hey, you're going too fast. They may put you in Facebook jail. But if you add people that are in mutual friends, sometimes you can add up to 50 people a day. Okay, now I recommend starting slow, 20 people a day, and then build. And then once you get like a warning, now you know the limit. But I would just start adding these people. Okay, literally just start sending requests, because again, these people are interested in potentially our product. Okay, boom, boom, boom. I would just keep going. Okay, like I said, about 20. Now, another place you can find people to add is Facebook fan pages. So if I think about the make money online niche, I can go to a leader, okay, someone that's important in the make money online niche, because they're going to have a fan page, and the fan page is going to have other people that are interested in making money online. So for example, who's big in the make money online niche? Well, Frank Kern. Okay, that's just off the top of my head. Frank Kern is a online marketing consultant. So I could go to his page. This is his profile. I could go to his fan page. Okay, and then I could just go down here and you can see his latest post. People are liking it. Okay, well, these people that like it are probably interested in making money online, and they're probably interested in video software. Okay, are you seeing how we can start to add targeted people very easily? And again, you would look at, start off with the people that have mutual friends. Okay, and again, very, very simple stuff. Okay, so now once we're adding people, a lot of these people are going to add you back because your profile is set up properly. Okay, they're going to come to your profile, say, hey, this guy or girl, knows what they're doing. Let me, add them back. Okay, so now you're building up a friends list. Now, once we have a friends list, what do you want to do? Well, this is very, very key. What we want to do is we want to do two things. Okay, we want to share valuable posts, and then we want to share results and calls to action. Okay, it's two separate types of posts. The first type of post is designed to get a lot of engagement, a lot of exposure, a lot of people seeing our posts. Okay, so you can share a quote. Okay, you can see right here, 88 likes. I posted it a couple days ago, 120 likes. Okay, so these are very easy to like, right? People are going to agree. Want things in your life to change things in your life. It's a vague quote. Okay, so you want to post something that's vague, that's a quote, you can just go to Google, okay, and search success quotes. And you want to just do that. Okay, this is going to get your engagement, okay, very good. Okay, at least, over 100 likes. So now, okay, you have all these people that are commenting, that are liking you, that are agreeing with you, right? Remember, people buy from people they know, like, and trust. So this is getting people to like you. They're like, wow, this is valuable. Yes, I agree. They're liking your post. That's building your engagement. So then what we're going to do is after that, we're going to share a result. Okay, now this could be a result from the actual sales page. Okay, you can go and you can look for a testimonial. Okay, so I would go on the sales page and I would look for, is there, some results? Okay, so like this, right? You could actually screenshot this. Okay, this is a testimonial, and you could share this on your Facebook profile. You could say, wow, this new video software is absolutely incredible. Check out what, Josh had to say. And then you could share this result. Now, here's the key though. You don't just want to share the result. You want to give a call to action. You want to tell someone to do something at the end of that result post. And what do you want to tell them to do? One of two things. Either, either comment below for info. Okay, so you want to tell them, hey, if you want more information, comment below. Or you want to tell them to private message you. Hey, Josh got these incredible results with this video software. It's absolutely incredible. If you want to learn how, message me directly right now and I'll share with you information. Okay, so again, to recap this so far, we're building friends that are targeted. Okay, so they're already interested in the product you're promoting on Jvzoo. We're going to be sharing, okay, about one a day of these posts, okay, the value posts that are building engagement. And then after that, okay, either later that day or the next day, we're going to share a result post, okay, a post that's sharing a result, whether it's on our sales page, whether it's a result that we've gotten. We're going to share that result with a call to action saying, hey, oh my gosh, look at John. They use this system, they were struggling. Now they're making money. It's absolutely incredible. If you want to learn more, okay, that's the call to action. If you want to learn more, comment info under this post and I will share with you more information. Okay, that's going to start getting people to comment. Okay, I went ahead and found one of my result posts. Now you can see that I'm, promoting a system, right, that helps you make autopilot commissions. And I shared a post, okay, with some results, okay, and then I wrote some text, and then right here, the call to action. Want more info? Comment yes below, and I'll send you the link for more info. And then you can see right here, okay, yes, yes, yes. Okay, this is great. I'd like to know more about it. Info, yes, 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 right? So all these people, and actually, I think I need to get back to some of these people, but basically all these people, okay, they were asking for more information. Now, what is the last step, right? The last step is we want to open up, okay, these people's messages, and we want to send them the link, okay? We want to send them our website. Now, remember, if you bought a domain, okay, that's what you want to send them. You don't want to send them the direct link here on Jvzoo because, again, Facebook won't allow you. We want to send the domain. And then the last step you can do is you can actually reply, okay, to their comments when they ask you for more information. Just reply sent, and that's going to boost this post more because it's going to have more engagement. Then it's going to get boosted. More people will see that post, and then you just keep commenting and boosting it up and up. And this person's going to go to my website, check out the affiliate offer, and potentially buy. And there we have it, my friend. Now, I've personally used this formula to generate thousands of dollars just using my Facebook profile, and you can too. If you like this video, be sure to click the like button to let me know to make more. Also, comment below, what social media platform do you want me to teach you next? I know a lot more methods, and I'm just, I want the feedback. And last but not least, Jvzoo is a great place to start off with affiliate marketing and things. But the problem is, and the reason I don't normally use Jvzoo much is the payout can be very tiny per sale, and it takes you a while to get the money. If you're looking for a way to make up to 100% commissions instantly paid, I want to invite you to my website. There's going to be a link in the description. When you click that website, put your best email on my website, and I'll shoot you over some private information on an overview video revealing my #1 way to actually receive big commissions instantly paid. Okay, so you can start to scale with paid ads, or you can just take the money and do whatever you want. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training.